Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Adam here. Just a quick video. I was restoring my phone yesterday to update the 4.21 to jailbreak it on Green Poison, and I end up with this problem whilst updating it to restore it. I end up with this fixed at 1013 error when restoring your iDevice on iTunes, and I'll show you quickly how to fix this problem. And there's a lot of video out there, but I'll show you the easiest way to fix this problem and you have no problem. First thing you do, this is on a window. First thing you do is start My Computer. Your local C drive, window, and I need to look for window. Then you need to System 32. There we go. Then you need to look for driver, ETA at the top, and this host file. You need to open this host file, and it will ask you what do you want to open it with. That's it. When you open with Notepad, and when you open, it's just this last one here, the 74.28. There will be a hash sign. There won't be no hash sign in front of it. You need to put the hash sign just in front of that one. The bottom one will have the hash sign. The top one wouldn't. So you need to add this hash sign. So the best thing to do is to drag it out, because it wouldn't let you save it. I'll show you. If I try to save it, it wouldn't let you. If you change something, it wouldn't let you save it. So anyway, you just drag it out, put it in your desktop, put it. It'll ask you to continue. 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 And there we go. It's up there, and now you can open it, and there we go. So you just need to change, you just need to add this hash sign. The bottom one will have it, the top one wouldn't. So you just need to add that hash sign and save it. When you finish save it, you just drag it back and drop it right where you find it. Continue. Continue, and that's your problem solved. You just close everything back, and you should go and restore your iPhone, and you shouldn't have a problem. You should restore your iPhone just as you get it out from the shop as the manufacturer. Could you please rate, subscribe, and if you need any info about iPhone or computer, just give me a bell up. Thank you. Bye bye.